The PNI Escort HP 65 CB radio station is designed for use in multiple countries by selecting one of the 6 norms, CB standards. By changing the norm, the user can adjust the frequencies, channels, and emission limits according to the legislation of the respective country. This feature is useful for drivers who frequently travel abroad, allowing them to use the station in any country they are in accordance with local regulations. The microphone allows complete control of the station without having to touch the main unit. Through the buttons located on the front panel, the microphone provides quick access to all the functions of the station. The color screen, 7 colors available, displays information about the channel used, signal strength, and active functions. The station can be powered by both 12-volt and 24-volt, making it compatible with most cars, trucks, buses, and other commercial vehicles. Manual ASQ skelch allows the user to manually adjust the signal filtering threshold, eliminating unwanted background noise. ASQ automatic squelch, automatic adjustment to eliminate noise, allowing clearer reception without constant manual intervention. Other functions: noise blanker, TOT, EMG, key lock.